there, fresh dill, some thyme, and oregano, but yeah. I'm gonna show what I have, my green olives that I don't. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey. May the Most High bless you, guide, and protect you while you're on your mission to your purpose. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Thank you for your love and support. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future.